Hi, I'm Jim Gander, Master Plumber and owner of Superior Plumbing in Rochester, Minnesota. Welcome to Plumbing Tips. Today I'm going to talk to you about the Watco Hi-Flo strainer body and Hi-Flo Innovator Overflow faceplate. The Hi-Flo Watco strainer body is a great product because it has 2 rather than 4 crossbars, and the bars are extra thick. If you've ever removed an old strainer body, you know that the crossbars in an old drain will occasionally break. Then it's difficult and time-consuming to remove the drain. Knowing this is an issue, Watco designed a new brass strainer body that has 2 extra thick crossbars. So why do you care if the drain has 2 crossbars? First, because 2 crossbars versus 4 crossbars allow for a higher flow. Hi-Flo brass strainer bodies flow up to 20% faster than traditional 4-bar strainer bodies. That's particularly important for deep tubs. Next, the 2 bars on the Watco Hi-Flo strainer body are actually twice as thick as the bars on a 4-bar strainer body. So that means the bars are stronger and much less likely to break than traditional 4-bar strainer bodies. Finally, the Watco Hi-Flo brass strainer body is brass, not zinc. Brass resists corrosion and lasts much longer than a zinc strainer body. The brass Hi-Flo is available with Watco full and half kit bath waste products, tub closures, and trim kits. Watco also has another Hi-Flo product, the Hi-Flo Innovator Overflow faceplate that replaces any 1 or 2 hole or trip lever overflow faceplate. It's simple to install. You install the self-centering Overflow L through the back of the tub, tighten the retainer nut, and snap on the Innovator Overflow plate that has up to twice the overflow capacity of traditional 1 or 2 hole overflows. Plus, it has a test membrane, so you don't need a test plug. Or if you wanted to replace a 1 or 2 hole or trip lever faceplate, you just take off the old faceplate, use the adapter bar that Watco provides, and install with the old screws. The Hi-Flo 2-bar Watco strainer body and Innovator Overflow faceplate offer your customers higher flow and better products. They are available at any plumbing wholesaler and are backed by a 5-year limited warranty. Thanks for watching this video. This is Jim Gander with Plumbing Tips.